Animations in PowerPoint really help you bring your content to life. And thanks to advanced features, you can make custom paths for them. Objects can move however you want. It's very easy to do. I'm Andrew Childress. I'm a PowerPoint presentation pro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PowerPoint motion path animation quickly. We'll answer the question, what is a PowerPoint motion path? And then I'll show you how to build one of your own. For this tutorial, we'll work in the premium Bravo PowerPoint template from Envato Elements. I have it downloaded and open here, and you can see the array of slide layouts inside as I scroll through. Let's land on slide 5 here and get to work. So what is a PowerPoint motion path? Well, motion paths help you animate objects by moving them in specific directions. Those directions form a path: up, down, right, left, and any combination of those. They're really precise ways to guide object movement in PowerPoint. Here on this slide, we're going to add a PowerPoint animation motion path to this image here. Let's get started by clicking on the image to select it. Then come up here to the Animations tab. You'll find it on PowerPoint's ribbon, which is this series of menus and options across the top of your screen here. Click on Animations, then look at these menus here. The More arrow unlocks additional options, so let's go ahead and click on it. You'll see this gallery pane open here. This is where we'll add PowerPoint motion path animation effects. Find them down here at the bottom in the Motion Paths group. Let's look at the categories here. Lines move objects in a given direction. Think up to down, right to left, and so on. Arcs move in one direction and then back. Turns move in two directions, one after the other. Shapes follow a geometric outline. Loops turn in circles, and custom paths let you draw a fully custom PowerPoint motion path. Let's start with a simple example, turns. With the image still selected, I'll click Turns here. When I do, watch what happens. You'll see the image move to the right and then down. This is the default option. To change it, let's find this Effect Options button and then click on it. From the list, you'll see several ways to adapt the motion. For example, by clicking up right here, I can change the direction of travel. This is how to customize PowerPoint motion path animation effects quickly. Let's jump back here and try a different effect, the custom PowerPoint animation motion path. As you saw before, there are many options built in to move objects on a slide in different directions. But sometimes you may want to add a totally unique path. And thanks to PowerPoint motion path effects, you can do exactly that. Let's repeat our earlier steps of selecting an object and finding the motion path group on the Animations tab. Watch here as I work through those steps again. But this time, from the list of available options, we'll choose Custom Path. On the slide here, notice how the cursor is now a crosshair symbol. This tells you that you're ready to begin drawing a custom path for your object. What does that mean? Well, you're now able to tell PowerPoint exactly where you want to move an object when you play an animation. To draw a path, watch as I click and hold my cursor down here. Then I'll move across the slide, drawing a path. Remember that path is the path that the photo will follow. Draw a path like this, and then choose where you want the image or object to stop. When there, press Enter on your keyboard. That's it. You've created your custom PowerPoint motion path animation. You'll see it in action immediately. When you build a PowerPoint motion path, it will be previewed for you instantly. As you can see, it's easy to build a live PowerPoint motion path animation. Simply find motion paths in the list of animation effects. And it's easiest when you use premium templates from Envato Elements. Elements is an all-you-can-download resource for creatives. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many premium PowerPoint motion path templates as you want. And that's not all. Elements includes millions of other digital assets too. Join today and explore fonts, stock photos, music, and more. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There, you'll find even more helpful tutorials just like this one. Plus, you can enjoy courses, content roundups, and so much more. You truly can't afford to miss out. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks again for joining me.